Within the next 5 minutes, Masterpiece Cake Shop in Lakewood will reopen for the first time since the owner there, Jack Phillips, made those national media rounds following his U.S. Supreme Court victory.
So let's get you caught up on all the big developments leading up to this morning. On Monday, justices ruled 7-2 that the Colorado Civil Rights Commission showed bias when it cited Phillips for discriminating against a gay couple wanting a wedding cake.
So the next morning, we brought you the breaking news as Phillips announced on Fox and Friends that he plans to get back into the wedding cake business.
I got into the bakery business. One of the main reasons is because I love doing wedding cakes.
Okay.
The Colorado Civil Rights Commission took that away from me, and now hopefully we can get back and do the baking that I love.
Well, Denver 7's Megan Lopez is live for us at Masterpiece Cake Shop. Megan, we're only minutes away from those doors opening up, so people gathered there already?
A couple of people, that's definitely what happened. I just saw a man in a red shirt come and rattle the doors and try to get in, but of course it's not open yet. He's not accepting customers yet. It's been closed since about 2 p.m. the day that Supreme Court ruling came out. Now, Jack Phillips has been here since about 5 a.m. getting things all ready for the customers. Inside the shop, on a table facing the window, there is a sign, and it's a quote by A.W. Tozer that reads in part, "When I understand that everything happening to me is to make me more Christ-like, it resolves a great deal of anxiety." So certainly showing that he is not backing down from his religious beliefs, particularly after that Supreme Court ruling. We also spoke with a political science professor about the ruling, and he explained what it means for Jack Phillips.
He's entitled to follow his conscience in this area without facing punishment for going against anti-discrimination laws. That's what it means for him right now. It's not a broad constitutional principle. If I have a religious objection to something, I don't have to do it. That's not the principle to draw from it.
But this ruling didn't set some major precedent. It's not the next Brown versus Board of Education or Roe v. Wade. The political science professor says it's going to take other cases with other circumstances that the courts are going to have to rule on in order to really start that debate that this cake shop case almost brought up, which is the debate between freedom of religion and anti-discrimination laws. But that political science professor says there's already lawsuits that are in the pipeline that could be the things that set up that principle. But again, we're just waiting for this cake shop to open up in just a few minutes. I'm live in Lakewood. Megan Lopez, Denver 7.